All right, last video for you today. If you watch these all, you're a rock star. Thank you. All right, so going over the assignment number 2, environmental ethics and the Hetchy decision. Linked right here. I tried to make it, have it make a copy for each of you, and it just didn't let me, so you'll need to make a copy for yourself. Okay, so open it up. Mine's right here. Okay, so before we take a look at the assignment, I want you to watch a couple little videos. I'll be really brief on mine to see what the area looked like more than a century ago. I'm not going to play these for you, but you'll click on those and watch them. So this is a little bit about Yosemite's Lost Valley. And then the second one is kind of showing Yosemite with actually historic painting what Hetchy looked like. So now it's underwater. It used to look like this right here in that picture. Okay, and then, so after you've taken a look at that, I want you to imagine that you're the President of the United States during the early 1900s. There's a severe water shortage in San Francisco. They also just had that devastating fire and earthquake there. There's no water nearby. And larger river to the east could be dammed. I don't know if that's the correct spelling or not, but the dam would need to be built inside the national park, which was originally set aside as a preserve where nothing was supposed to be done to it. So what do you think? Dam Yosemite or dam that Hetchy Valley or not? What would you decide? So that's kind of the setup of what you guys are thinking about. And I want you to address the following for this assignment. And I'll give you this week to do it because today is a weird day. So we'll talk about it next week. So I want you to give the potential consequences of building and of not building the dam. So don't forget to do both. Okay, people forget to do one or the other. And then Gifford Pinchot, he said that our public lands provide the greatest good for the greatest number. So what side of this debate of to build a dam or not would an anthropocentrist person take? Okay. And same thing, John Muir, he said dam Hetchy as well, dam for water tanks, the people's cathedral and churches. So that means like dam up churches and cathedrals to hold water in them. Like John Muir said, there's no holy or a temple that had ever been consecrated by the heart of man. So that means like he thought of Hetchy as a church. Okay, so what ecocentric reasons would he have to justify this dam? So this is where you go back and look at the presentation. I went through in another video post, or just take a look at that presentation. Draw from those things some of your evidence to put into these answers. Okay. And then number 4, what would you make if you had the deciding, if you were the ultimate power to make that decision? If you were president, what would you have done during that time? No judgment. You don't have to don't write what you think I want to hear. I want to know what you think. And the important thing is I want to know why you think it. So don't just tell me you'd build a dam. Tell me why, and tell me why you think that way. Okay, so give me some details. It's not a one-sentence answer. This is where I get to see what you guys think and kind of delve into your brains and kind of get a picture of what's going on in there and why you think the way that you think. That's one of my favorite parts of this class. Okay, I'm going to try to hit mute, but let me know if you have any questions and have fun with this assignment. Hopefully you will.